Okay, today we are going to talk about a Nifty Bank. Okay, in the Nifty Bank, in the current situation, this is going down very well. Okay, from 2014 also, yeah, this is the have a good uptrend until 2019 December. After this is the coronavirus or the some of the most reasons that goes going down very well. Nearly the one handle and nearly 13,000 points were going down. So this is down. This downtrend need to correction. Need to come to the correction. That correction point is nearly the Fibonacci's. The level is 61.8. So we need to check that this market is going more up. That the level is okay. We will draw this Fibonacci retracement tool, and that says wait. Okay, that says this retracement is nearly come up to 26,000 26,300. Okay, that means this is the come to a downtrend. The minimum need to this come to nearly 26,000. Sometimes this is gone up, and this area have a forming uptrend and going up. So minimum this is a downtrend also. Minimum this is go nearly 26,000. So we need to check that this have a chance to come to 26,000. Okay, let's go. That's we are in the monthly chart. So we need to technically we need to analyze this market first. Okay, so 26,000 have need to come to the correction. Okay, monthly chart have any patterns in forming? Not really. So we need to go to, I think, going to weekly. Yeah, weekly have a put a pattern. What is this pattern have a chance to form here? This is double bottom. Okay, this area have a double bottom. Need to go more down, and after become a double bottom and go to rise. So have a chance to go down. Okay, so we need to analyze deeply the lower time frame of the week, that is 4 hours. So we need to change that screen to 4 hours chart. Do you have any idea in this pattern? Do you have forming anything? Okay, we'll draw the trend line, then change the color and thickness of the line thickness. Okay, after we need to draw this line. Okay. Okay, this is the half trend line. You need to understand this thing. This is not a breakout because this is the red candle. Red candle, the market closing is this area. Okay, this point is the market closing price. So the market isn't break this trend line. Okay, did you understood that thing? The market didn't go up the trend line, that is break this, didn't break that, that is go down. Okay, this is the closing price. Closing price is also lower the trend line level, so this is not a breakout. Okay, that's you need to clear that thing, right? And another thing is we didn't draw that support and resistance lines because we can get the targets and supports and resistance well from this current market. So we need to draw the support and resistance. So first we need to go to the high time frame. Our high time frame is the 4 hours is weekly. So we change that chart to weekly, and after we need to go to the line chart, and then we can plot that support and resistance. First click that horizontal line, this high time frame or red, and thickness is okay. So this is the current market, this is in here. This is also good reversals. So this is the one of the support and multiple lines. Click that, and this is also one of the another level. This is a good another level. Okay, the market go down but can't go again up. So this is good support for the previous market. And but we didn't draw any lines in the any lower lines in the current market. So I need to go to the history, the previous, and I need to check that any other current market points positions in here. I need to check that. Okay, this area have a good resistance also in the previous market, so we can draw one more line here. Okay. Right. Then we can change that this line and go to the low time frame for us. We need to, I think we need to draw one more line that is to give a good solution for us. Yeah, this is also the good support line, so we need to draw one more line here. Why I draw one more line? Because that is also have a put a strike here in the 4 hours chart, so I need to found that where are the level, have any level in this weekly chart, so we need to use there, because this is the trend line and there's any patterns forming here, we need to check with that support line. That reason I am also plot that line. After I need to draw one more trend line that is also forming one of the pattern. Okay, you can identify that pattern as well. What is this pattern? This is falling wedge. Okay, this is not a descending channel, this is falling wedge, because that is going to this depth is going to decrease here, so that reason we are calling this is falling wedge. Okay, okay, this is the falling wedge. So after we plot that falling wedge, we need to check that where this market is, need to go to the uptrend, we need to find that place first. This is a downtrend. Okay, downtrend, so I have to draw that lines again. Should change my color. Okay, here lower high, lower low, again lower high. Sorry, this is frog cutting. Did you understand? Market, but this is the second touch, because this isn't go up here. Okay, so this is the second touch, and after here again here, here, okay, Okay, so we need to check that where this is the market breakout or something hand happen. So we need to wait to the market is change that swing. This is normally this is a downtrend, so need to the market need to change to the uptrend. So we need to find that where the place is going to uptrend for me. So you need to go to the low time frame. The 4 hours low time frame is 30 minutes. So you go to the 30 minutes, and 30 minutes chart also have you can identify that point is turning point. Okay, that is also we are talking in the previous lesson, multi time frame analysis, how to find that turning points. Okay, so we need to find that 10 reversals. We are the reversal points. This is the reversal point. You need to identify, okay, this is the reversal point. Okay, so this is the reversal point. It's a high highs and high lows forming in the lower time frame after it is going to up to the market, and this is area have a weekly resistance. So this market need to break this weekly resistance, and after come to the again back test, retest this monthly support, and after going to up the market. So you need to wait this falling which breakout in upward direction, and after need to wait for the monthly support break and to the retest to this monthly support, and after you can go for a buy confidently. Okay, and you need to put the target is normally we are forming this the size of this. Okay, only I need to draw a good swing. This is the conservative area swing, and I need to clone that swing, and after I will put here. Okay, did you understood this thing? This is the first target. Okay, first target I need to this is the first target. Okay, and next is this is the good downtrend, and this is the forming uptrend after this downtrend. So this is the last swing of the falling wedge. So we need to draw that last swing also. Clone this area. That's also going to the monthly support that I. So you can take this second target to is after this achieve this target 1, you can go to the target 2. This is the last swing target. Okay, the swing before this falling which you can get the target 2. After you can go for the target 3. Did you have an idea about target 3? Yeah, that's also we can show in this weekly market. This is the what is this double bottom. Okay, right. Okay, so again we need to market is have to come down nearly here. Sometimes that touch this level, this market then going break this area. So I normally put this place here. Okay, again clone. Okay, this is the double bottom swings. The double bottoms, and after go to this target here. This is the target 2, target 3. Okay, did you understand? Okay, so you can trade for these targets. So you need to wait for these 10 reversals nearly this bottom point. Okay, after you can go 3 targets only for the upward direction. Okay, so again you need to analyze this market. This is only for your study, and after you can analyze again with these patterns, and you can go for the trade after your own knowledge. Okay, thank you for watching, and you subscribe my channel, and you can go with trade more analysis. Okay, thank you.